Thank you for joining us here on click2houston.com. Our rain chance is really going up today, and we do have the potential of heavy rain, and we'll have to watch out for the threat of severe weather. We could see wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour today within those stronger thunderstorms, and because our ground is so saturated, that would be strong enough to take down a tree. So keep a very close eye on radar, especially as we get into the afternoon. It's going to be a warm day. We're waking up in the 70s, and our daytime highs will generally be in the low to mid 80s. Here's the updates on our rivers. The Brazos River crested near Richmond yesterday. It's still 9 feet above flood stage. It is slowly falling, but major flooding is going to last through the weekend. Now down to Rose Sharon, the crest is going to be happening late Thursday night into early Friday morning. It is 7 feet above flood stage, and we're expecting about a 2-foot increase, but the cresting level has been lowered just slightly. We're expecting it to crest pretty close to 52 feet. A good story coming out of Wharton. We do have the crest of the Colorado River behind us, so we're starting to see some improvements, but major flooding is going to be lasting at least through the next 12 to 18 hours. Up to the north and east we go. San Jacinto River looking pretty good. We're still 3 feet above flood stage both at Humble and near Sheldon, but we're continuing to see that river level drop, and the Trinity is going to remain above flood stage through the weekend. Major flooding will be continuing. It's about 3 feet above flood stage at this point. We're tracking a huge upper level low pulling out of Arizona, just a classic spin. It's going to take a little dodge into North Mexico today. It is pulling in a ton of Pacific moisture and combining it with the Gulf moisture that's coming in with our south breeze, and that is going to explode the potential for heavy rain in our forecast for the next 3 days. We're expecting waves of heavy rain to be moving through. The timing could change, so you need to be very weather aware, watching out for the radar and really monitoring these storms as they start to pop up. Today we're expecting those heavy storms to be moving through, especially during the middle part of the day and into the afternoon. Thursday another wave moves through, and then on Friday additional rainfall. And it's really those consecutive days of rain that could bring flooding back into the story. So we are really going to be watching very closely. There is the potential that we could see a flash flood watch posted during the day today. Area-wide, we're expecting 2 to 4 inches of rain, but the concern is isolated spots. There is the potential of 8 to 10 inches of rain. It is almost impossible to let you know where those locations would be. So over the next 3 days, everyone in Southeast Texas needs to be on guard, especially in areas that have recently flooded or are currently dealing with flooding, because the potential is there for that much of rain, and that would cause devastating issues. So again, the next 3 days are the days to watch. We are still going to see some rain on Saturday and Sunday, but we start to see some slow improvements next week, and especially by Tuesday of next week. Beautiful sunshine. We have a lot of days coming up next week that we will be dry, and that's when we will start to see some real improvements.